All right, last example. Here we go. 12y to the fourth minus 75y squared. First thing you notice is what? Only two terms. Okay, only two terms. First rule is always GCF. Okay, so we're still looking for GCF. But we know if there's only two terms, the only way to break it down further is difference of perfect squares. So that's in the back of our mind. Okay, what's the GCF in this case? 3, because 3 will go into 12 and 75. Why not 6? Why not 6? 6 won't go into 75. All right, how many y's do they have in common? 2. Y squared. What's left after you pull out 3y squared? 4y squared minus 25. 75 divided by 3 is 25. Are we done?
No.
No, why not?
That can be factored.
Perfect square minus a perfect square. This can be broken up further into two different ones. So I got 3y squared, and what do I get here and here? 2y plus 5 and
2y minus 5.
Where in the world did those values come from? Raise your hand if you do not know where 2y and 5 came from. Anybody? All I did was take the square root. Square root of that gives me the 2y. Square root of that gives me the 5 and 5. What if this value had been plus? Could you break it down?
No.
What would be your answer? This step right here. Okay, that you would be done. You pulled the GCF out, that's all you can do. Okay? What if it was minus and this was 27? Could you break it down further? Would this be your answer? No, because why not? 27's not a perfect square. 27's not a perfect square. Questions? Any questions? All right. Now, let's practice a few problems out of our workbook. Page 102.
95.
Page 102. Good. Let's look at it together for a second. I know it's running. Just let it run. Page 102. Page 102. Number 1. Let's look at number 1. I didn't do any like this, so let's look at them together. They've already done the GCF for you. They pulled the 2x out. They've got x plus 5 and x plus 5. Which one of those answers, A, B, or C, do you think is the answer? You can say it. Which one, A, B, or C? Number 1 on page 102. Which one of those answers, A, B, or C, goes with number 1? C. Everybody look at C. 2x minus 1 and x plus 5. Do you see how that goes with A? Or sorry, it's number 1, not A. It's number 1. You've got the 2x. You've got the minus, and they're already the same. Okay? Let me write that down. 2x, x plus 5, minus x plus 5. See how they're the same? Those two are the same. What value is understood to be right here? 1. 1's the only GCF of x and 5. So it's 2x minus 1 and x plus 5. That only works because it's x plus 5 and x plus 5. Because they're already the same. Alright, look at number 2. You got 2x, you got x plus 5 and x plus 5. Which letter goes with number 2?
A.
A does. Everybody see that? Yes. Okay. What would the answer be on number 4? They've already done... Oh, that's not a multiple choice. They've already done the work for you. Okay, what would the answer be?
X
plus 1 times
x
x plus 4. You don't have to say parentheses. I know that you mean parentheses. Carty, how about number 6? What would the answer be in number 6?
I can't do that at work mentally.
Say that again?
I cannot do that at work mentally.
Okay. How about number 5, love it? Or sorry, 6. We're still on 6.
2m plus 1.
2m plus 1 and
1 plus 1. I meant m plus 1.
m plus 1. That's right. 2m plus 1 and m plus 1. Hunter, let's do number 8. A little easier. What's the answer on number 8? They've done all the work for you. All you've got to do is give me the answer. Wouldn't be W plus 6, the first one, right? But GCF on the second one is 3. So it's that value, and then that parentheses and that parentheses all together. So what would it be? W plus 3. W plus 3 and W plus 6. That's what we get our answer from. Lloyd, how about number 9? Logan, how about number 9?
Y minus 6, Y plus 4.
Very good. Emma, how about number 11?
3C plus 8 and C minus 4.
Very good. Colin, how about 12?
I don't know how to do it.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't think
They've already done the work.
just the first one and the second one.
Yo, he's on the wrong page.
Come on, Colin.
Oh, wait.
No, I'm not.
You're up here.
I know. Oh, I was
No,
on the
it's
bus
just
all
3
that.
minus 3, D plus 5.
Hush, hush, hush. Here we go. Colin. Anybody doesn't understand? I didn't talk about these, so that's why we're doing them. Okay? They've already pulled the GCF out. They pulled a 2P out. They pulled a negative 3P out. This is the same as this. All they're asking you to do is go one step and tell me the answer. That's all you have to do. So you do these two in the first parentheses and these two in the second parentheses.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So tell me again, what would the answer be? Wyatt,
2P minus 3.
2P minus 3 and
P plus 5.
P plus 5. Very good. It's okay. It's okay. We didn't talk about those. All right, what I want you to do is page 102. I want you to do 13 through 27. Right now at your desk, workbook, page 102, 13 through 27. Okay, try these problems now at your desk. Raise your hand if you have questions.